Greetings. If you're having trouble locating the Lyceum event proposal form or just don't know where it's located, then here's a step-by-step process to help you out. You want to go to Google and type in WUSYNC. Select the first option, Explore WUSYNC. The home page will appear. To confirm that you are signed in successfully, you'll look in your right-hand corner and locate the Abby icon. It'll either have a picture of you or a picture of the first letter in your first name. That means that you are signed in correctly. Now you want to look over in the left-hand corner and locate the document icon. This will prompt you to the forms listing page. You'll see all forms from different organizations across campus. But in terms of Lyceum, it will always be starred and titled Lyceum Program Event Proposal. Now, on this screen, you will always see the blue highlighted start button. Mine says resume because I already have a submission pending. However, when you do click the start blue button, it'll take you directly to the policy and procedures page, sort of what you see on your page now. These are revised policies and procedures, so please be familiar and aware of them. If you have any questions, you can email lyceum@wingate.edu. On the policy page, I do want to note there are some links that are accessible for you for further information. So if you're not familiar with the blackout dates, you can click this link to access them. If you're not familiar with something that is new to Lyceum, which is the Lyceum Student Learning Outcomes, you can click this link and it'll take you directly to that page for more explanation. Many people are not familiar with the venue reservation process. However, I've provided that link for you here, so it'll take you directly to EMS found on the work portal, and you will be able to put in your Wingate credentials and access any venue spacing on campus that is available at the proposed date that you are suggesting. If you are a student, president of an organization, you need to contact your academic advisor to have them help you with the venue reservation process. Something else is that each event will be judged using this rubric. So again, if you want to understand why your event got denied, then this is going to explain it more thoroughly for you. Once you hit the next button, the process of the proposal starts, and you'll literally answer the questions in their entirety and submit your form. After you've submitted your form, you need to provide the Lyceum director at least 48 hours at least to review materials or to respond back to you if there are any guided questions that need to be answered. But that is how you find the Lyceum form link, and that is how you start the process. If you have any questions, again, email lyceum@wingate.edu.